Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I have lots and lots of new stuff in front of me. Lots of new makeup. My birthday was recently and as my present I just got to order whatever I wanted. Well, not whatever I wanted. I got lots of new stuff for my birthday because makeup was the only thing I asked for. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys and testing out all this new stuff that I got. So I have lots of new makeup, some things I repurchased, so I'm just going to use it all today and I'm going to show you guys. So let's start with the stuff I got from Sephora first. So basically from Sephora I got a restock of the Urban Decay All-Nighter setting spray. This is my favorite setting spray. It still has the little cap on it. I still have a little bit left of my other one, but I'm so afraid I'm gonna run out because this is so good. Another thing that I'm just restocking on is my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. This is the best powder ever. It's so good. Some new makeup that I got from Sephora. I got this NARS blush. This is the shade Angelica, and it's really pretty. It's kind of like cotton candy. Then I also got this Milk Makeup Flex highlighter. Oh my gosh, y'all. You can't even tell, but like the glitters in here are so beautiful. I'm gonna do like an up close like swatch and stuff. This is probably going to be my new favorite highlighter, not even going to lie. It's so pretty. And this color is just so unique. It's this beautiful champagne. It's not really gold, but it's not like a rose gold either. So I got this Urban Decay lipstick. It's a cream. It's one of their Vice lipsticks. And this is the shade Violet. It's really pretty. On camera it looks like pink, but it's kind of more of a purple in person. But yeah. This is such a pretty color and I really love this packaging on it. It looks very sleek. And then the last full-size thing that I got from Sephora is the Fenty Gloss Bomb. And this is the shade Fussy. And literally everyone talks about these and I've never tried them. So I thought I would give it a try. Also, in case you were wondering, it smells so amazing. It's like fruity bubblegum cupcake, like all came in together. I don't know how to explain it. It's just so good. Okay, so I got a bunch of minis from Sephora because I had a lot of points saved up. Well, actually, first I got a birthday present from Sephora. And it came with this Urban Decay Moondust Shadow. Oh my god, I'm going to give you guys a swatch of this. It's so beautiful. It's like glitter without being chunky glitter. It's very smooth and beautiful. This is the Starlight one. And it looks really pink in the pan, but when you put it, like when I swatched it, it was kind of more of an orangey. But I really like this. It also came with this mini Urban Decay All-Nighter, which is my favorite. So now I have a little travel size of it. It's so cute. With some of my points, I got a mini Monsieur Big Mascara. I got this whole mini Tarte set, and it came with a bunch of skincare stuff and some makeup stuff. So the only thing I wanted to mention from the skincare stuff is this Tarte Knockout treatment, the tingling treatment. It says it's supposed to minimize the look of pores on your face, and let me just tell you, I've used this twice and it really has. It's really good. Like the burn, love the return. Then for the makeup part, they gave me a Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. We have the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea 4-in-1 Setting Mist. I don't know what the 4 is, but apparently there's 4 things in here. Then we have the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea, the Quench Primer. The last thing in the Tarte set is this Tarte Lip Tint Moisture thing. It's very sheer and it's supposed to give your lips like ultra moisture. Now let's talk about the stuff I bought myself, because that is everything from Sephora. But I also went and bought myself some things. So I went to Ulta and I picked up this Kylie Cosmetics Blue Honey palette. Isn't it beautiful? Also from Ulta, I got this Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, but I got the little candy cane one because it's so cute. And then from TJ Maxx, yes, I went to TJ Maxx again, and I got this Too Faced Triple Scoop Highlighting Palette. And it smells like ice cream. The last thing that I got, it's also from TJ Maxx. This is the Becca Luminous Blush, and this is the shade Snapdragon. Oh my god, this is the most beautiful blush. I've literally been talking for like 15 minutes. Let's start off with the Tarte Primer. This smells weird. I'm gonna use this on the outsides of my face. Whoa, it looks like snot, kind of. But yeah, I'm not putting this in the center of my face. Germex. Yeah, it smells just like Germex. Okay, so I just applied the MAC Studio Fix foundation and mixture of the MAC concealer and the Kylie Cosmetics skin concealer. Okay, so since I already have like a Laura Mercier opened, I'm just gonna use it. I actually have 3 of them now. So I'm just gonna take the powder on my sponge right here, and I'm just going to set the under eye area with the sponge. Then I'm just gonna take a brush for the rest of my face and just lay down this powder. Then what I like to do is take this baby sponge and dip the corner so it looks like that, and I'm just gonna put it right in those eyeball creases where I have bags. Okay guys, the face is bronzed. I just used some butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. So I think I'm gonna use the NARS blush today because I feel like it matches the lipstick and stuff better. But it's just beautiful pink. It has really reflective glitters in it. So I'm just gonna take it on this tapered blending. Oh my god, look how much comes off. I can't put that on my face. Okay, here we go. Oh wow, this is blending so beautifully. I always take the blush and I'll put it at the apples of my cheeks and I will blend back into my bronzer. That's beautiful. I love that blush. So for highlight, I'm gonna use the Milk Makeup highlighter today. You guys, this is just, oh my god, I can't wait to put it on. This is a Sephora highlighting brush, so I'm just gonna go in here. A lot comes off. Oh my god, I have glitter everywhere from tapping off stuff. So here we go. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Holy cow, it looks so pretty on camera. I am glowing to Mars. Okay guys, I did my brows and I put a little bit of concealer on my lids. So I'm going to be using the Kylie Cosmetics Blue Honey palette today. And just to set everything down, I'm going to take this big old fluffy brush and dip into the shade Raw. Just to set that concealer I just laid down. Okay, so I'm not going to use this palette a lot. I really want to focus on the Urban Decay Moon Dust because I've used this palette and it performs like any other Kylie Cosmetics palette. She has great palettes. But I think I'm just going to take the same brush and just dip into Busy Bee very lightly and just dust that all over the crease. that's literally all I want to do with the palette. Just the transition shade, really. So now I'm going to take the Moon Dust Shadow from Urban Decay. This is the shade Starlight, by the way. Ah, that was so hard to open. And I'm just going to take some on my finger, like this, and just plop it all over the lid. Oh my god, that is literally so beautiful and just light and airy. And I really like this glitter because it's not chunky, but it's still really, really glittery. Like, now I'm just gonna finish off the under eye just a little, if I can find my brush. I'm just gonna take this fluffy Anastasia brush and dip into Busy Bee, and I'm going to run that along the lower lash line. Okay, so now to use this highlighter palette, just to show you guys what it looks like, I'm gonna take this shade, which is called Vanilla, and I'm gonna take it on my little baby Morphe brush, and I'm just gonna put that in the inner corner. I'm also gonna put some on the brow bone. Look how pretty that is in the inner corner. So before I put on mascara, I'm just gonna spray my face with a little primer water. Now for mascara, since my eyes literally had the worst day yesterday, I'm gonna use a mascara that I know and love. I'm just gonna use my little mini Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This came in an ornament, guys. It's so cute. If you want to get somebody a gift or something, this is adorable. Okay guys, so the mascara is on, and this just makes me feel really super like pretty without trying too hard, and I like that. I think it looks so nice. So just to show you guys and to get my lips ready for lipstick, I'm gonna put on this Tarte moisturizing balm. Oh my god, that is just so beautiful. Look, it just gives you this really nice like wash of color. It makes your lips look shiny, and it's giving me moisturization. I'm gonna show you guys what the gloss looks like on its own. This is Fussy by Fenty. So there's the gloss on its own. I think it's really beautiful, but I do like it. I think it's more of a thicker consistency. So this lipstick is probably one of my favorite things I bought. I just think this color is so unique, and I really like this formula of the cream. Just wait. That's one swipe. It's so pigmented. See guys, it's like this beautiful like bubblegum purple, if that's a thing. Like, it's so beautiful and pretty. Now I'm just gonna put a little bit of the Fenty gloss on top because I can. Okay, so last but not least, to seal the deal and to make our makeup stay all day, I'm gonna take this mini Urban Decay all-nighter. I would use the Tarte one, but I'm afraid it's going to be too hydrating, and also I don't like the smell of it. So I'm just going to use the mini one of these. But now that my face is set and everything is melded together. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I think it's really pretty. Like, my eyeshadow, like, look at the sparkles in my eyeshadow. Like, I knew that you couldn't tell from far away. The blush looks fantastic. I love the blush color with this color lip. It's like the perfect combo. So some of my favorite things, obviously the Urban Decay lipstick, it was phenomenal, and I love this color. The Milk Makeup Flex highlighter, guys, look, this is amazing. It's so good, and I would highly recommend it to anybody. And surprisingly, the Moon Dust Shadow from Urban Decay, like, I just love it. It makes me look so pretty and natural without, like, really trying. And that's what I super, super love. So those were some of my favorites. I pretty much liked everything that I tried out. I love this look. It's, like, pretty and light, and, like, I'm trying, but I'm not trying. That's what I'm going for anyways. Okay, so I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys liked me trying out all the products. I'm gonna do another one at Christmas because I'm asking for makeup for Christmas. So anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!